Hi. Nobody likes getting old. Nobody likes trying new things even. Why? I don't know. Because as you get older, you should try new things. You should be able to dream another dream, set another goal. And take me, for instance. I'm a retired seaman. And if I can set another goal, dream a dream, and go for it, so can you. And for $10 a month, and if you make two sales at $10 a month, you're in profit because you keep 80% of everything you make. If you want to know more, please write in the comments info and I'll send you the info. Take care and I'll see you on the inside.